The annual report is nothing but academic achievements. The academic achievements depends the innovative methods following by the teacher. As a responsible teacher, I am following nearly 11 innovative methods to reach our achievements for last 10 years. As a Rotarian, I mobilized Rotary Club and provided digital classes to my school in 2017. Conducting digital classes to the students and achieving learning abilities 80% to 90% learning abilities among all the students. These classes played a major role to create pleasant classroom environment in the present scenario and to create interest in mathematics. And my goal is I have to reach 70% learning abilities among the students. For that one, I provided maths lab and conducting maths club once in every month throughout the year. Low cost, no cost. As a facilitator, I am encouraging the students to prepare mathematical models and the students exhibit them monthly once with the support of maths club. Slow learners also very active and preparing models and acquired knowledge, understand and concept of different topics. I supported the students to learn the concepts by the method learning by doing. This creativity has been supported to maintain mathematics lab in our school. And then next I focused to reach 100% learning abilities among the students. For that one, I supported the students preparing model for each concept and explaining them through YouTube channel Spandinche Murthy. Our students created a YouTube channel Spandinche Murthy and they are explaining each concepts by preparing models with low cost and no cost. Our students preparing models for each concept and explaining them through YouTube channel thrice in a week under my guidance. Students are very active preparing models for each topic from 6th class to 10th class and they are exhibiting them through the YouTube channel. Conducting these activities thrice in a week throughout the year, it develops concept understand among the students, communication skills, applying the concept in their daily life, develops knowledge, understand among the students. Next method is encouraging the students to participate in district, state, science and maths fairs and NMMS exams. In our school, our students are learning the concepts by following the method learning by doing. This activity is supporting them to get innovative thinking and also it develops hands-on experience. These things supporting the students to participate in maths and science fair every year. Our student got first prize in district and participated in maths and science fair in 2018 and also student selected in NMMS 2018. And one more thing is to achieve 100% learning abilities among the students, health habits of the students is very important. Since 2005, I am encouraging the students to get good health by changing their habits, good habits, their habits to learn more learning abilities among the students. For that one, here also for last 3 years, I encouraged the students to get good food habits and provided nutrition food to the students and maintained good health. All these methods supported me to reach 98 to 100% learning abilities among all the students. Even slow learners also showing good performance in mathematics.